Hello friends, how you doing? Today we're working on a chainsaw, a Poulan Wood Shark, model 1950, and it's a mid-size Poulan. Nice saw for lightweight residential use, and it won't start. So we checked the fuel, we put fresh fuel in it, we checked the primer bulb is working fine. And then we pulled the engine cover off, and that involved taking out 3 screws, which are T25 Torx bits, but they're also slotted so that you can use a regular slotted screwdriver if you don't have the T25 Torx bit. And there's 3 of them. Lift that up and off, and now we can access the spark plug, the exhaust port, and the carburetor. And all these things we need to check to see what might be wrong and why it won't start. First thing we'll do is check the spark plug, see if it's got spark. Spark plug, check for spark. We'll spray a little fuel oil mix, gas and oil mix into the carburetor. If you don't have that, you can use a little starting fluid, but don't overdo it. You don't want to use too much starting fluid when you're doing a 2-stroke engine. So let's get started. We have a fair amount of spark there, although the plug is dirty. I'm going to check and see if I have a new or better one I can put in it. I don't think it's the size I usually have, but if not, we will get a little emery board and some sandpaper and clean this one up.
You can ask him for help, he's standing.
Let's do a compression check. You guys are funny.
You couldn't even say that without breaking laughter.
Well, I mean, he is handy. It looks like he could...
Put the drinks down, you're helping now.
Sucks, don't it? He's a guest.
He is not a guest. He's been here 20 years.
Oh, yeah.
Pull the cord, Dan.
Come on, man.
You gotta hold, he's gotta hold the camera.
I'm holding the camera.
Come on,
Okay.
man. Hold it.
Like, harder. Alright, you can stop. The compression is well over 120 pounds, which is very good.
Yep,
so
I'll do it.
There's no problem with the compression, no problem with the spark. Let's move on to fuel.
Great.
Well, this wasn't too bad at all. It had been setting a while, but it wasn't decomposed or clogged up. All we had to do is clean up the spark plug a little, splash a little fuel mix down in the carburetor hole to get it primed up, and it fired right up. We did have a little trouble with it accelerating properly when you squeeze the trigger, but a quarter turn out on the low speed jet, and we are running great. Another project done and ready to go back to a happy customer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.